Hi, I'm Cal Ewing. For those of you that are new to my videos, I am a real estate investor that buys houses in the greater Houston, Texas area. I happen to live in Calgary, Canada, and I've been meaning to shoot this video for a few weeks now. We're seeing a lot of uncertainty. I don't know if you've been looking in the Facebook articles and just general news releases, but there's more and more signs of both the stock market and the real estate market heading in the wrong direction. And I know a lot of people are feeling very uneasy as far as what's to come. And some of the more doomsdayers, I guess, are predicting that we could be seeing another recession equivalent to 2008, where we're going to have a real estate market crash as well as a stock market crash. Even people are saying that this time the bond market may crash. And with all the political turmoil and things like that, it's just everyone's very nervous, I think. And that's just the general vibe I'm getting is a lot of unease and not knowing what to do, and people concerned for their investments and not knowing where to put their money. Do they take it out of the stock market? Do they take it out of real estate? Do they just hold on to it in the bank? What is the answer? And so I get a lot of people asking me what our real estate investment strategy is, because I've still been promoting it quite a bit, even in this market, but we've definitely shifted what we're doing within our business to accommodate for what could be a major market crash like we saw about 10 years ago. So earlier in the year and last year, we were focusing a lot on shorter term real estate investment strategies. So this is your fix and flip, buying a house, fixing it up, putting it on the MLS and selling it at market value, right? And making a nice spread on that. And another strategy that I've been very fond of earlier this year was buying a home at a great discount and then just turning around and putting it on the MLS as is and making a nice spread that way. So I believe right now, with the market so uncertain, these shorter term strategies are definitely out of the picture until we see signs that the market is starting to level out and go up again. Okay, so I've talked to investors that are just getting started and they're still so keen on fixing and flipping, getting their first flip under their belts. And I've been warning people that don't have experience to stay away from fixing and flipping right now, because unless you really know what you're doing and have really great systems in place and have enough spread in your deals, there's just so much uncertainty. So the price that you expected to sell the house at, 3, 4, 6 months later, by the time your house is ready, it could be down here and you're going to lose a lot of money that way. The days on market, the amount of time that it takes to sell these homes, we're seeing is increasing quite a bit. Not only in Houston, but I've seen articles, nationwide. It's getting harder and harder to sell homes. Fewer and fewer people are buying homes right now. And I'm even seeing it here in Canada. So what are we doing? What is the answer? Because it doesn't look like stocks are the answer. I've seen a lot of predictions that there could be a stock market bubble burst. And we've already had 2 big incidents in the last month where stocks have taken a big hit. Just recently, now I'm shooting this in November 2018. And I think about a week ago, the tech stocks took a major hit. And so people are very fearful there. So what the heck do we do, right? That's the question. Well, our business model is owner financing. And the reason that I love it, and I'm going to describe it very briefly for you, is that we're able to buy a home at a big discount and turn around and sell it to someone that can't get a mortgage. Okay, so these are people that have a low credit score and the bank has turned them down. These are people that are newly self-employed and the bank won't give them a mortgage yet. People that maybe aren't American citizens yet, things like that. So there's a lot of reasons, and there's a very big market for people wanting to stop renting and start owning a home. So we actually finance the home for our buyers. We take a down payment and then they get a mortgage, and we hold the note on this piece of real estate, and they make payments over a certain period of time, just like a bank. Okay. And the reason that I love this over just being a landlord is that when we get our check every month, mortgage payment from our end buyer, none of that money has to go to the AC repairman, the painter, the carpet guy, the roof repairman. None of that repair and maintenance issue stuff that comes with landlording is my problem, right? Because I'm a lender and we've sold the house to a new buyer. So that's our new buyer's problem. So when I get a check every month, when I owner finance, it's money that I can spend right away. All right, so the other cool thing is that we base our sale price when we owner finance our homes, we base it on what the market rent is. And we structure our sale price so that our new buyer, their loan payment is the same as what the house would rent for, okay? So if you look through history, every recession that we've seen, more and more people are forced to stay in the rental market. Maybe they've been foreclosed on, banks tighten up their criteria. We're already seeing interest rate increases, so it's harder and harder for people to become homeowners, and they're stuck renting. And what happens is when you get all this influx in people renting homes, rents start going up. And since our model is based on market rent, we sell our homes based on what the rent is. If rent goes up, we're able to sell our homes for a higher price. And the cool thing is while everyone else's home values are dropping, our home values are increasing during a recession, as long as we're doing this owner financing model. Okay, so that's really exciting because this model actually works better when things are going bad in the real estate market. Okay, and the other cool thing is this is a long-term play, so we're getting paid over up to 30 years. This isn't relying on prices over the short term, which are very unpredictable right now, and it's a great cash flow strategy for people that are in the investment space, either passively while they have other jobs or full-time like we are. Okay, so if you're looking for a place to put your money that you're going to feel a lot safer doing in this uncertain time, I really recommend you consider the owner financing model. And we also work with private individuals that help us finance our deals, either through their self-directed retirement accounts or just whatever cash that they have on hand that they want to invest. And they come in on these same projects with us for a minimum of 5 years. And what we feel is that over the 5-year period, if the market's going to continue to drop, over 5 years is about when things are going to start looking up again. So their money is going to be ready to put to work into wherever they want it. But during the bad times, it's secured to a piece of property, and that's worth quite a bit more than what they've invested. So we're confident in this model for both our passive investors and also for our own company. And I recommend it to you if you're a real estate person to think about the owner financing model. All right, so I hope that answered some questions. I'm Cal Ewing. Good luck out there. Happy Thanksgiving to you Americans, and we'll see you soon. Hey, before I let you go, I just wanted to let you know that I am offering a free one-on-one real estate investing strategy session with you. If you're interested in getting more questions answered on anything real estate investment related, private lending related, real estate backed notes and mortgages, I'd love to get on a call with you, either on the phone or through Zoom or Skype. We can chat about your current situation, get some questions answered for you, and hopefully some strategies and action steps that you can take in order to get closer and closer to your investment goals. So all you need to do is click below. I'm going to have my calendar link pasted there. Click my calendar, find a time that works good for you on the calendar, and we'll work out the logistics as far as how we're going to communicate. Looking forward to talking to you. Have a great day.